Hi students, I am E. Srinivasarao, Department of MBA, GBR College. In this third semester, I am going to deal services marketing management. This is one of the marketing specialization paper in MBA third semester. Let us see what are the concepts in first unit. The first one is introduction to services marketing. Second one, importance of services. The next one, characteristics of services. Next one, growth of services sector, services in the Indian economy, service strategy. These are the first unit topics. In this class, I am going to cover the concept on introduction to services marketing management. Before getting into the concept, we can understand about what are goods, what are services. Goods are tangible, services are intangible. Tangible means we can touch, we can smell, we can taste, easily transfer to one place to another place. Here our topic is services. Services are intangible. We cannot touch, we cannot smell, we cannot taste. No transfer of ownership in the services. Here day to day we are use different types of services like hotel services, medical services, educational services, entertainment services and transportation services, etc. The next one, the service sector is a major contributor to India's economy. It contributed around 55% of India's GDP. Service sectors contributed in different countries like America around 78%, in France 77%, in UK 73%, in Japan 73%, in India 55%. Services have increasingly assumed important role in the economic development of many countries including India. Services are growing faster in the world economy. There are a lot of differences in previous and present days in services marketing. Before independence, there is no significance to services. After independence, there are many changes in the service sector. Now we are having different types of services like hotel, medical, hospital, tourism and other many services. The service marketing contribute the economic development. It means creating employment opportunity and optimum allocation of resources. Last 3 decades, number of services organizations enter into the Indian market like foreign and Indian companies, because India is developing country. Here many, in the year 1990 2000, number of financial services organizations enter into the Indian market like ICICI Bank, HDFC, HSBC, etc. They are offering services to the consumers like home loans, personal loans and some other loans. Last 10 years, e-marketing very popular in India. Example, Amazon, Flipkart, etc. At present, we are in modern marketing. Modern marketing customer expectations new from the services provider. That's why service provider always thinking how to fulfill the consumer needs and wants or expectations. The service provider, before enter the market, they study the market trends. This market trends gives full information to the service provider like consumer buying habits, consumer income, educational qualifications of the consumer, technology and competition in the various market segmentations. let us see some important points. The first one, income increasing in the past 20 years. In this period, the national income increased as well as individual income also. The next one, India is developing country. Here, fast growing consumerism in India and number of services organizations enter into the Indian marketing. That's why all Indian companies are introduced number of new service offering levels in the various market segmentations. Technology. Technology is one of the important key factor in the services marketing. For example, online banking, online services. Resources. In India, so many resources are available. This is one of the reason for growth of services sector, like manpower, water and national resources are available in our country. The next one is development of services, financial services, hotel services, etc. The next one, changing lifestyle. Here the present consumers are preferring innovation and technology, and at the same time the more income levels of consumers. That's why all consumers are preferring to the innovation and technology. The next point, the service sector contributes the most to the Indian GDPs, around 55%. Here the service sector is a major contributor to the Indian economy. It contributes around 55% of the Indians GDP. Higher percentage of working women. From last 2 decades, Indian women are working in different sectors and also in services sector. Increasing number of new products. Number of companies enter into the service market. They are producing new products, and at the same time existing service organizations also producing new services. Here consumers are king of the market. They judge the quality of the services. That's why service provider always how to fulfill the consumer needs and wants. Thank you.